Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the extrude function. Extrude function is at the top here. You find it here, or you can, as usual, you can type it in the command line here, extrude. Okay, when you want to use extrude, it will ask you to select the objects. And these objects must be a closed object, which means there is no, all the lines are connected into a closed form. So it's like a circle or a rectangle, it must be connected. So if you created your rectangle using lines, you should combine the lines into one polyline before you can extrude it. If you extrude a line, you will produce surfaces. But if you want to produce solid, then you will need to extrude a polyline, a closed polyline. Okay, so what do I mean by this is, okay, let's just start by drawing a closed object. Okay, so we will draw a closed object. We will use this tab here, the drawing, or you can just type there rectangle, enter. Okay, so the rectangle say to specify first corner point. So I just take one corner here and I will activate my snap mode on. Here we zoom in a bit. You just click on one point and then specify the other point. Okay, so in the example it said to make the rectangle with dimension 4000 and 6000. So you click on dimension here and then put in the length to be 4000. Enter, and width to be 6000. Enter. And I want it to be on this side. And now click on that side. And that rectangle will be created. Okay, so now I have my rectangle. I will zoom out. Use the zoom extend so that I can see all my rectangles, my huge rectangle. So that is my rectangle. It's 4000 by 6000. Okay, this might be incorrect, so I will just redo it. I have redrawn my rectangle. This is 6000 by 4000 dimension. Okay, and then we will choose the extrude command and then select the object to extrude. I will select my rectangle. So you can see when I hover on this line here, all the lines are selected. So that is called a closed object. Okay, so it's a closed form. It's connected into one single polyline. So click on that one and then enter. And then it says to specify the height of extrusion. So put in the height of extrusion to be 3000. Enter. And then make sure your cursor is on the right direction and your box will be created based on the dimension that you have given. So this is based on the dimension rectangle 4000 by 6000 and height of 3000. Okay, what you can view this rectangle by clicking on this wheel here. So you can see the right side, the back side, top, and so on. This is the navigation wheel. It's very useful. So just now we were looking for this side. Yeah. Okay, so remember this is the front, right, and top. Okay. You can also draw if you have a shape and you are drawing your shape using lines. Okay, I will show an example. What if you are using line to create a rectangle? Okay. So I have my rectangle and I will activate my orthogonal, and I want this side to be 4000. Enter. Then that side to be 6000. Enter. And then that side 4000 again. Enter and close. So you can click on that point there, or you can type C and then which will close your lines. Okay, so you have this line, and if you notice when I hover on these lines, it will choose as 4 separate entities, right? So what happens if I extrude these lines instead of a polyline? Okay, I'll just show you an example what will happen. Okay, so you click on extrude and you will see that it will look empty on the inside. What happened is the line is being extruded into surfaces. So that is the main difference. Okay. Well, you don't want that. So escape. What you can do is you click on your lines, or you use your window, and then type join, enter, and you see 4 objects are converted to one polyline. So when you extrude this one polyline, it will become a solid. Okay, yeah, so you see it's not empty on the inside, and you can put there 3000. See, to specify you put your cursor on the right direction and specify the height to be 3000, and then enter. Okay, now so you have your objects which you have created using extrude function. I'm going to show you as well how you can view these solids. You can use, go back to home. Yeah, so view here. You can change from the realistic view to other types of views which will make designing your object easier. Okay, for example, you have the wireframe, conceptual, hidden, shaded, shades of gray, sketch, and so on. What I usually use is the wireframe and wireframe. Yeah, so you see this as lines, but these are actually solids. Okay, you go back to conceptual or realistic. Yeah, so this will help you to create your design. Okay, I want to show you how does a surface looks like in wireframe, but first I'm going to draw a line. Okay, my line, enter, and then I will extrude it. Click on my line. Oops, yeah. And then enter. The height is 3000. Okay, so if I change this to wireframe, yeah, I can detect that, oh, I have two solids and one surface. So when I see these boxy things, I might be in trouble, okay? So try to avoid this, unless you wanted to create a surface. Okay, that's it for extrude. Thank you.